The Exynos versus Snapdragon debate has always riled people up. After a series of duds, Samsung went exclusively with Snapdragon chips for the Galaxy S23 series, making Galaxy fans, including us, happy. But this year, Samsung brought back Exynos chips to non-Ultra Galaxy S24 variants. While the Exynos 2400 is a massive improvement over previous Exynos chips, it still isn't as good as its latest Snapdragon counterpart, and some more improvements are required to bring Exynos chips up to par with Snapdragon processors. Next year, Samsung's ambitions could be even higher, at least if we believe a wild rumor that claims that the company is planning to use only Exynos chips in the Galaxy S25 series. This rumor also claims that Samsung will use Snapdragon chips only in the Galaxy Z series in 2025, while the Galaxy A series phones to be released that year will consist of Exynos and MediaTek chips. Is it possible that Samsung will exclusively use Exynos processors in the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra? The Exynos 2500 is expected to be impressive due to these four reasons. Multiple reports have claimed that Samsung has created a separate team to optimize its next-generation in-house Exynos chip. This time, the company is expected to have tailor-made its next Exynos chip for Galaxy phones. The upcoming flagship Exynos chip will reportedly use Samsung Foundry's second-generation 3nm fabrication process. The Cortex-X5 CPU core from ARM will reportedly be faster than CPUs in Apple's AM series chips. All these changes are enough to bring massive improvements to Exynos chips. However, it is still difficult to believe that the Galaxy S25 could exclusively use Exynos chips. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.